Hello guys, in this part we'll learn classes and objects in C Sharp. You'll learn from the previous chapter that C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in C Sharp is associated with the classes and objects, along with its attributes and methods. For example, in a real life, a car is an object. The car has attributes such as weight and color and methods such as drive and brake. A class is a class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. Well, create a class. Create a class named car and with a variable color. So public string color equal to red. And when a variable is declared directly in a class, it is often referred to as a field or attribute. It is not required, but it is a good practice to start with an uppercase first letter when naming classes. Also, it is common that the name of the C# file and the class match, as it makes our code organized. However, it is not required. Well, create an object. An object is created from a class. We have already created the class named car, so now we can use this to create objects. To create an object of car, specify the class name followed by the object name and use the keyword new. So, create an object called myObject and use it to print the value of color. So new car and console.writeLine myObject.color and Control F5 and red. Note that we use the dot syntax to access variables or fields inside the class. We will learn more about fields in the next chapter. Multiple objects. You can create multiple objects of one class. So, create a new object, myObject2 and equal to new car and console.writeLine myObject2.color red and red. Did you notice the public keyword? It is called an access modifier, which specifies that the color variable or field of a car is accessible for other classes as well, such as program. You will learn much more about access modifiers and classes objects in the next chapter.